The greatest gain offer come from the biggest challenges. Let's break down how to make the most of them. Welcome back to Amenny Property TV channel. In today's episode, we are going to dive into the theme of distressed property, or we call auction property. Investing in auction property can offer unique opportunity, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. So let's get started.
Real estate investment in auction properties. Auction properties, which include foreclosure, fire sales, short sales, and property in need of significant repairs, can provide investors with several benefits. First, auction properties are often priced below market value, allowing investors to acquire properties at a lower cost. Additionally, this property can offer the potential for high returns on investment through renovation and appreciation. Finding and evaluating auction property is a critical step in the investment process. To identify this opportunity, you can explore various channels, including auction property listing, real estate auctional portal, and working with real estate agents who specialize in auction properties. Conducting thorough due diligence and assessing the property conditions, market value, and potential repair costs is essential to make informed investment decisions. Renovation and rehabilitations are often necessary when dealing with auction properties. It's crucial to develop a comprehensive renovation plan and budget, considering factors such as structural repairs, cosmetic upgrades, and compliance with building codes. Working experienced contractor and obtaining necessary permits can help ensure a successful renovations process. Investing in auction property can be rewarding, but it's important to be aware of the potential pitfalls. It's essential to accurately estimate repair costs and accounts for any unforeseen expenses that may arise during the renovation process. Additionally, thoroughly researching the market and assessing the demand for the property in its location is crucial to ensure this is potential for appreciation and rental income. In conclusion, investing in auction property can offer unique opportunity for investors to acquire property at the discounted price and generate attractive returns through renovation and appreciation. However, it's important to conduct thorough research, carefully evaluate the property's conditions and repair costs, and understand the potential risks associated with investing in auction properties.
Thank you for joining us on this video. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable contents on real estate insights and guidance. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment sections below. If you have any questions or there is specific topic that you'd like us to cover, we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.